We here at Craft Gin Club pride ourselves in sourcing the best gins from all over the world to deliver right to your doorstep every month. This year alone, we've seen gins from South Africa, India, Monaco, Hong Kong. But this month, December of 2020, we want to bring you home for Christmas. Let's find out what's in the box. We'll start with our December 2020 Gin of the Month, Cotswolds Dry Gin, the Cloudy Christmas Gin. With botanicals such as juniper, lavender, clementine, and bay leaf, this festive gin has been exclusively crafted just for us. Each month, we send you everything you need for the perfect G&T. This month, we've paired our Gin of the Month, Cotswolds Cloudy Christmas Gin, with London Essence Original Indian Tonic Water. We've also included our seasonal garnish of dried grapefruit and star anise. Our December 2020 cocktail of the month is a Gin Star Martini, made with our Gin Star Martini cocktail syrup. You can find the full-size bottle on our online shop, craftginclub.co.uk. Our cocktail of the month also includes crafted mango and passion fruit juice. We've made our cocktail of the month extra special with the inclusion of Quarter New Cava non-vintage brut. We filled this month's box with all sorts of goodies, including Gnaw Winter Wonder Milk Chocolate. We've also included a bag of Tyrrell's hand-cooked English crisps, lightly sea salted. We've also included a bottle of London Essence Pomelo and Pink Pepper Tonic Water, or London Essence Grapefruit and Rosemary Tonic Water. I got grapefruit and rosemary. You'll also receive a bag of the Dorman Christmas Mix, featuring a blend of nuts and dried cranberries. Last but certainly not least, you'll receive 2 Kind bars in flavors of dark chocolate, nuts and sea salt, caramel almond and sea salt, or apple almond spice.